homemade Ugandan yogurt. Learn how to make Ugandan yogurt at home with Chef Josh or Musisi CC. I'm going to show you how to make vanilla yogurt and strawberry yogurt at home. What you do for the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with everyone. So we need plain yogurt or vanilla yogurt, 3 to 5 tablespoons. We need milk, 2 liters or 2 cups. Then sugar, we need enough. So we are going to first measure 2 cups of milk. That's 1 liter. We apply it in the saucepan. Then after, we are going to boil it. After, we are going to boil it. Boil the milk until the milk is ready. New viewers, don't forget to subscribe and please don't learn alone. Share with each and everyone. So make sure that the milk is ready. Boil the milk until you see that the milk is ready. So when your milk is ready, you are going to set it aside. When your milk is ready, you are going to set it aside because today we are going to do Ugandan yogurt. So cool the milk. We need it room temperature. So cool it. We need it just somewhere warm. So after cooling it, you're going to strain it or you're going to sieve it. You get a strainer, you strain it. Then after, we are going to apply 2 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. If you need it sweet, apply 4. If you need it unsweet, apply 2. You mix until you see it dissolved. Then for plain yogurt, if you want to make plain yogurt, don't apply sugar. You skip the what? You skip the sugar. Then at this point, we are going to apply plain yogurt or vanilla yogurt. You apply 3 tablespoons or 5 tablespoons. The more plain yogurt you apply or the more curry you apply, the more thickness of your yogurt you will do what? You will get. This is Chef Josh or Musisi CC. So you apply 5 tablespoons in 1 liter if you need it thick. If you need it unthick, you apply 3 what? You apply 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt or vanilla yogurt. That means if you don't have vanilla yogurt, you can use plain what? Plain yogurt. Then after, you're going to apply in a clean saucepan or clean bowl. Then you cover. Me, I used a foil paper. So you cover and put it in a cool place. Then leave it for 24 hours. Leave it for 24 hours so that it can form. So make sure that you keep it in a cool place. Don't apply it or don't put it in a warm place. So you can put it under the table, under the bed, under the chair, anywhere when the place is what? Is cool, when it is not warm. So keep it for 24 hours. So this is what you are going to do. We have the so-called curriture. So if you want to make your curriture, so you can keep your curriture. So after 24 hours, after mixing your yogurt, because you are going to see it, we are going to mix it when it is thick, because it has passed 24 hours. So after 24 hours, you are going to check it. After checking it, you mix it. After mixing it, before you apply any flavor, before you apply vanilla or strawberry, you remove your curriture. You can remove like 5 tablespoons, which you are going to use on the next yogurt, so that next time you don't buy yogurt. I think you can see our yogurt is thick. So before you apply flavor, I repeat it. Before you apply flavor, first get your curriture, like 5 tablespoons or 10 tablespoons, or the yogurt you need to use on the next yogurt you will make. You apply, you keep it aside, you can keep it in the fridge. Then 1 yogurt, I'm going to apply strawberry. 1 yogurt, I'm going to apply strawberry because I'm making strawberry yogurt. So if I want to balance the color, I'm going to apply more red color if I need it to be more red. Then the second yogurt, I'm going to apply vanilla essence or vanilla flavor. If you need pineapple, you can apply pineapple. If you need mango, you can apply mango. You can also make mango yogurt. You can blend the mangoes and apply them here. You can put the mango flavor, the passion, etc. The chocolate. You can make any flavor of your choice. What you have to do, you have to be creative. So me, this is what I did. I got the clean bottles. I bought my owner juice. I took it. Then I used the same bottles. I cleaned them. I applied my yogurt. One I applied vanilla, another one I applied strawberry. Then after, to make it more thick, you put it in the fridge. So that means before you enjoy it at this point, you put it in the fridge like for 4 hours. for 4 hours. Then after 4 hours, you get something like this. I think you can see. You see? You see the texture? Our yogurt is thick. This is homemade yogurt. That means you can start this business from home. You can stop buying yogurt from supermarkets and do your own yogurt for your kids and do your own yogurt for your people. This is Chef Josh on CCCC. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. See you next time.